we are discussing about famous personalities in the world, and out of that, now we are coming to Indian famous personality. So many people are aware, and some of us are not aware about very great personality, that is Chandragupta II. Okay, here name wise lot of confusion is there with Chandragupta, because there is Chandragupta Maurya, the earliest famous personality and known emperor in Indian history, that is Chandragupta Maurya. This is different person. After him, after many centuries, another king was there named as Chandragupta, but this is from Gupta dynasty. So this is from Magad only, but the name of dynasty is Gupta dynasty, whereas what first I discussed, that is from Maurya dynasty, the founder of Maurya dynasty. So now I am focusing on Gupta dynasty. In Gupta dynasty, there is first king Chandragupta. After that, there was a Samudragupta, and son of Samudragupta, that is Chandragupta II. So now you are aware who is this Chandragupta II. This person is not having any connection with Chandragupta Maurya, but having connection with Chandragupta Gupta first. Okay, so Chandragupta was grandfather of this Chandragupta II. Now what is the peculiarity about this Chandragupta II? He was son of Samudragupta. Samudragupta was very shrewd, very cruel person, but because of him, biggest empire of this Gupta dynasty formed at that time. He performed Rajasuya Yajna, that is sacrifice, and he was really having biggest empire at that time, ranging from South India to Gangetic Valley, whereas his son Ramagupta was not that capable, and he was threatened by a Shak ruler. Shak means Scythian ruler from Gujarat. And then Chandragupta II took over the charge. He executed Ramagupta because the wife of Ramagupta was asked by that Shak emperor. So Chandragupta II executed Ramagupta, and then he faced war with these Scythians. Scythians means, usually we can say that people from steppes region, maybe possible they were nomads, but maybe possible from Ukraine area. So they were ruling over parts of India at that time. They are called as Scythian, but in India they were known as Sak or Shak. So he faced war against this Shak. Series of battles, obviously war means series of battles, were fought between Chandragupta II and Scythians or Shak people. Now Chandragupta took title as Shakari, that is enemy of Shak. Ari means enemy, Shak Ari, enemy of Shak. And then ultimately he defeated Shak people once again. Why I am telling once again? Because prior to that also this work was achieved by Satwahan Samrat named as Shalivahan or Gautamiputra Satkarni. After him, after many years, history repeated, Scythians accepted suzerainty of this Chandragupta II, that is called as Shakari, and now he took another title named as Vikramaditya. So that is the famous personality in Indian history, that is called as Vikramaditya. So he was Gupta ruler from Magad.